Follow the steps on how to create a double exposure effect image like this in Photoshop. Let's start by creating a new document. Go to File and open the first image. Crop the image. Next, select and mask. Set it like this. Click and drag the image and adjust the size and position. Hold Ctrl and click the thumbnail. Then add a gradient. Set it like this. Select these two layers, then merge layers. Now, go to File and Place Embedded. Select the image. Change to lighten. Adjust the size and position. Select a layer and add a mask. Activate the brush and arrange it like this. Brush on the image. Select this layer, then use the Erase tool to create a fade effect. Lower the flow value to make it softer. Select these two layers and link layers. Add brightness effect. Finished. Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.